Getting my competition license again, getting the car certified. I have a new window net. Every 2 years you have to replace your window net, new seat belts. So the motor needs a little bit of maintenance. We're either going to go with aluminum rods in there. That's what it has right now. Puts out about 900, or we'll do steel rods. Just depends on the money situation, but I definitely want to get this vehicle out to go racing legally at the drag strip. You know, safety conditions, parachute, seatbelt, all that. And I think you would really enjoy that. So planning the max in the class that I'm in is 440 cubic inches. So we might get a stroker kit and make it a 434. I need to talk to my engine builder, and we need to make some decisions. So it's already February. And March, April, May. I think the season, I'll have to check it. It might start in April or May, or it could even be June. So the longer I have, the better. But the car's at home. It's off the trailer's outside. So if I'm going to pull the engine out, then I need to pull it out and get it to my engine builder, and we need to make some decisions. So I'm scanning the intersection, looking. That's going to be exciting because this has been sitting like 7 or 8 years, and it's time. Either we're going to go racing or I'm going to sell it off, but I'm not going to give it away. So got good speed control, taking my time. Cars are kind of passing me on the right. You can kind of see people stopping, people not stopping, and I'm just trying to be very deliberate. Looking around, I'm keeping good space. There's a beautiful purple Ram truck behind me. So I'm just trying to stay consistent. Cars are pulling in the middle. Legally, they can do that. So when it's warm weather, you're going to see more motorcycles out. I'm going to squeeze real easy. If you hit it too hard, which I had a driver do yesterday, we almost got rear-ended.